Hello everyone. 2022 Honda CRV hybrid maintenance oil light. You may be able to see over here, just like maintenance required or 0%, stuff like that. This was just 0%. I already switched it. Reset it to 100%. So if you have this, normally the old Hondas, we can adjust from switch and reset from here and using A and stuff, trip A. Now these new ones gotta do come over here, say home. All you gotta come over here, setting, then come in here, vehicle. You got TPMS calibration. Let's say I got TPMS light on. I will fill it up, the air, the light's gonna still on. I can come over here and calibrate it. And there's some setups. All you gotta do, just lower down over here, scroll down, one more, scroll down, maintenance info, click this. You got engine oil, tire rotation, or all-wheel drive oil. Select, you have to select items from here. Which one you gonna do? Tire rotation, air filters, transmission oil, spark plugs, or all-wheel drive oil, just front and rear differential oil. They got little, since this is all-wheel drive. Then engine oil, we just did oil. If you do all air filters, you gotta reset it too. Engine oil. Would you like to maintain information all life 100%? Yes. Reset. This thing already reset it up. Come over here, you will see yourself oil life 100%. Good. That's how we do it. So that's it. 2022 Honda CRV. Nice looking, good car. You can, since this is EV, you can do EV mode. Okay, right now it's not available because it's cold, because the cabin being heated. Okay, but you got economy, a sport, and EV mode, and it's a look good. Put a reverse, self camera, put neutral, put drive, park. Nice. That's it. Let me know if you have any question. Bye.